Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alton. I am so glad that you could join me for a very special holiday episode. Well, number 7 on the list is Barton watch bands, and they have some fantastic rubber straps at really cheap prices. They have all kinds of different styles, but this is one that I really like a lot. It's the Elite Silicone watch band. It comes in so many different colors. What I really like about it is that it is two-toned. And so when you wear the watch, you just see a little bit of that underside color peeking through when you take a look at it. It just adds a really neat visual interest to any watch that you might be wearing. And they're $22. Save 15% if you buy 3 of them. And again, just like the canvas straps, these make great stocking stuffers. Also, you can find similar versions to this by Ritchie as you can with the canvas. And I would encourage you to check out a brand on Amazon called Fulmosa, and they're super cheap. So if you want to throw in some stocking stuffers, go check out Fulmosa or Ritchie or Barton and have at it. Buy a bunch of colors. Guarantee you that your watch enthusiast will be happy about them. Well, moving away from watches and straps now, we're going to look at some tools. And the first tool is the gold standard in spring bar removal tools. This has removable tips. You can buy replacement tips for it, which I think is really important. And it's just the gold standard. So if you're looking for a spring bar tool, go ahead and check out Burgeon. Next up is a watch repair kit. If you have a new watch collector in your life, then they probably don't yet have a watch kit. They range from about $12 up to $20 or so. You can get more expensive kits. You can get more professional kits. Let me tell you, these basic kits are pretty much all the same until you get up to a whole other tier. And for a new watch collector, you probably don't need the very best tools right off the bat. If you find that you get into modding, fixing watches, then yes, you definitely want quality tools. But for basic strap changes, this will do you. I've got one. It's just been a super helpful thing for me. So number 2 on the list is a watch repair kit. Now, number 3 might come out of left field for you, but I recommend a good desk pad. Why? Well, number 1, every time you put your watch down on the desk, it's going to get scratched up. Now, it's not a huge deal, but I know that I really like to have a nice, soft desk pad, and I use it on all of my desks. Secondly, if you're going to change a bracelet, if you're going to change a strap, if you want to put your watch face down and take off the case back, it's really nice to have a soft surface on which to do it. And these desk pads are so cheap. You can see as I scroll through just Amazon, 11, 10, 15 bucks. You can get different colors, different styles. So I would sneak into their office, check out what their decor looks like, and then grab one of these. Number 9 on the list is a valet tray. What is a valet tray? Well, it's a really simple and super useful thing to have if you're a watch enthusiast. At night, what do you do with your watch? You put it down on your side table, and over time, over the weeks and the years, it starts to get scratched up. And so what do? You buy a valet tray. It comes as a flat piece of leather with 4 snaps. You snap it together, and it's just a nice little tray. I happen to really like this one from Vario. They make really good stuff. It's $24 US. They often will have sales on this kind of thing. And you can kind of get a sense for the size of it here. Throw your watch down at the end of the day. You can put it by the door in the entranceway, toss your keys, glasses in it as well. Or you can fold it out, use it as a safe, soft place to do some work on your watch. So definitely check out Vario. We have this one, which says School of Horology, Department of Endless Education. Got a plain brown one. Now this is sold out, but you can buy a nice watch stand. Now, if you purchased all these straps, where are you going to put them? Well, number 10 is strap storage. Now, what I've done personally is I've gone down to the discount home goods store. I go to the makeup section, and it sounds funny, but in that area, they have all kinds of mirrors and shiny baubles, but they also have these really great acrylic boxes, which you can stuff with watch bands. I have absolutely stuffed mine. I like that it's got multiple drawers. I like that you can see through it. Either from Amazon, 20 bucks, or go down to your home goods store. It's probably around the same price. Now, another option is go on Amazon, and you can actually find little fold-up cases that allow you to store your watch straps. Now, I've got one, and I think it's actually meant for a makeup in your bathroom. It folds out, it's cloth, and then you can hang it on a hanger on your door. You know, I don't put makeup in it. This beauty is natural. It is really handy to look in the clear pouches, which are zippered, and just simply unzip the pouch, grab the strap that I want, and put it away again. So let me tell you, a watch enthusiast is going to collect a lot of straps pretty quickly. They need somewhere to organize them, and they'll be grateful to you. They'll think it's extremely thoughtful if you can help them to do that this holiday season. Okay, guys, I want to share with you real quick something really exciting. I told Van Banner about this video series, and he has donated, boom, this as a free giveaway. That's right, this watch, brand new, out of the package, is a free giveaway. All you have to do is follow the link in the description. That's going to take you to a secret video, an unlisted video. That's to help with scammers. You follow that link, and in the comments, I want you to tell me what your favorite gift was on this list, on this video or the other video. Okay, so go to that link, enter to win this brand new Van Banner, and it might be under your tree this Christmas. Number 11 on our list is watch storage. We talked about storing those straps, but where do you put all of those watches? Your collection might start with 1 or 2 or 3, but before you know it, you might have 40 or more, or you may not even actually know how many you have. So yeah, you're going to need somewhere to put these. Now, for a starter collector, I think just go to Amazon and buy a basic wooden box. I would avoid that fake leathery pleather stuff. Try to find something that's actual real wood. Here's one that's $35. It looks pretty decent. The reviews are fantastic. It's got little pouches to put your watches in, gives you the dimensions. It's got nice looking hinges that look like it'll hold that glass top up. And I do personally like ones with a glass top so that you can see what's in there. Your watch friend is going to sit there in the morning looking at their watch boxes going, what should I wear today? Another option is to look on Etsy. If you want to spend some more money, you can get a beautiful, custom-made, engraved by hand watch box made for your significant other that would blow them away. Usually it's going to require some lead time, so you may not be wanting to purchase it now at Black Friday. You might want to be doing that more in October, but check it out. Okay, now we're at number 12 and the last on our list, and it's the least expensive one for you today. That's my Christmas gift to you, and it's watch pillows. You buy these watch boxes, and they come with really boring interiors. I love watch pillows, and I've bought a number over the years. In fact, I need to upgrade my new watch box in watch pillows. I've purchased ones from Vario and found them to be really, really well done, so I'm recommending them to you today. A lot of them are sold out. The nice thing about their watch pillows is that they actually used the visually impaired to make them, and so it's a job for them. I believe in Singapore, if I'm not mistaken. So pretty cool stuff here. You can see how colorful your watch box can be when you add these to your collection. And here you go. You can see it in a Valet Tray that they conveniently sell. And oh wait, check that out. That's actually my watch box. So I guess I don't have to credit them. Oh, they credited me. That's very nice. You can see how they just look so good. Makes such a big difference in presentation in your watch box. Now you can buy different styles. If you go on Etsy, they have them almost in bulk. I don't know the quality, can't vouch for it. Read your reviews, go online, you'll find watch pillows, all shapes and sizes, different colors and patterns. Maybe pick a theme and have some fun with it. And I think that the person receiving the gift would really appreciate the thoughtfulness behind it. There you have it. Those are my picks in these categories. There are so many more that I could have picked, but I had to limit myself to just these few. Let me know down in the description if you have any other suggestions. I'm sure that you do. And please forward this link on to your significant other, or perhaps your mom or your dad or someone that loves you, if you find this helpful for them. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.